In this tutorial video of how to guide, I'm going to show you how to fix Viber not sending messages. If you're also having this exact issue with yourself, then let me show you a couple of things that you can try out that will help to solve your issue. Now there are a few cases to this. The first case is if they have blocked you on Viber, you won't be able to send them messages. And the second case is if the other person has uninstalled Viber from their phone or from their laptops, any messages that you send would not get delivered. Those messages will only get delivered whenever they install Viber again. So check if these are any of the cases with you. If these are not the cases and you're still not being able to send in messages, that may be because there is a bug or a glitch on Viber. So the first thing that you can do in this case is update your Viber app. Open up your Play Store or the App Store and search for Viber and update your app if there are any new updates available. Once you updated your app of Viber, try to see if this fixes the issue. If it still does not fix the issue, the other thing that you can also do is try to send a message using your desktop or your laptop using the desktop app of Viber instead of your mobile app. Sometimes your mobile app of Viber will have issues and the messages won't get delivered, so you can try out this alternative way, which is sending the message using the desktop app of Viber. And lastly, what you can do is if you're only having issues with the app of Viber on your phone, you can just uninstall the Viber app from your device. Once the app has been uninstalled, again re-download and log into your Viber account. This is a great way of clearing out glitches if that is something that you're dealing with. Now, even if you try all of these steps and you're still having issues, then that may be because the system of Viber is having issues. If that is the case, you just need to wait out until Viber fixes the issue and you'll be able to send messages again. So those are some of the things that you can do in order to fix Viber not sending messages. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos that we post. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.